Hello everyone and welcome to this introduction video for my course about RAKET.PH. So first of all, i-introduce ko po muna ang sarili ko. I am Faye Decenilla and before selling digital products, I was an accountant. Isa po akong CPA. So I started my digital product journey selling on Etsy po talaga around February 2023. So sinabay ko siya sa 9 to 5 job ko. I started selling printables, journals, planners, and mostly Canva templates for small business owners. I was just looking for a side hustle at that time, but 4 months after, which is around May 2023, I was able to quit my job and became a full-time digital product seller. I really love numbers, kaya ako nag-accountant, pero medyo stressful na kasi siya for me and I wanted the time freedom so much. And with the digital products kasi, you can just work anywhere. There's a possibility na you can earn while you're sleeping, you can earn while you are traveling, kaya pinush ko na talaga and I took the risk. So during those times, since naka-resign na nga ako, sineryoso ko na rin yung paggawa ng mga contents and posting free tutorial videos about digital products and Etsy sa YouTube and TikTok. As of March 15, 2024 po, I already have over 50k followers on TikTok, over 9k subscribers on YouTube, and I'm also the admin of the FB group na Filipino Etsy sellers na meron na pong 13,000 members ngayon. It was around October 2023 nung nagbenta na rin po ako sa RAKET.PH, and thankfully, I've been getting consistent sales every day ever since. And by the way, I only have less than 10 products on RAKET.PH and I'm not selling any course before this. Wala po akong ino-offer ng mga MRR or PLR video courses before about digital marketing or digital products. Ito po ang kauna-unahang course na i-offer ko after almost a year sa mundo ng digital products. So I just want to clarify that. Actually, I wanted to do the Etsy course first. However, I realized na RAKET.PH course would cater more Filipinos kasi medyo mas strict po yung requirements sa Etsy. Sa Etsy kasi, you need to be at least 18 years old. So, madami akong mga followers na students pa lang sila or below 18 years old sila pero gusto na nilang magsimula sa ganitong klaseng business. So, kahit ano pang age mo, you can sell sa RAKET.PH. Wala pong minimum age requirements. Sa Etsy, you need to have a debit or credit card. Sa RAKET.PH, kahit e-wallets lang meron ka like GCash or Paymaya, pwede ka pong magbenta dito. And sa Etsy, you need to have a TIN or tax identification number, unlike sa RAKET.PH na as long as you have one government ID, you can already sell on their platform. And then, effective March 1, 2024 kasi, nagre-require na si Etsy ng $15 na setup fee before ka makapag-open ng shop and may charge din po na $0.20 per listing sa Etsy. Dito sa RAKET.PH, creating an account and posting product ay free. So wala kang need na puhunan talaga para makapagbenta. So this is perfect for everyone na gustong pasukin yung digital product selling and the reason bakit ito po yung course na inuna ko. So ano nga ba yung mga ituturo ko on this RAKET.PH course? Syempre, we will talk about RAKET.PH. Ano nga ba ang RAKET.PH? Ano ang mga pwede mong ibenta dito? Ano yung mga fees na babayaran when you sell on their platform and how to create an account sa RAKET.PH, how to withdraw your income kapag nagka-sales ka na. Second one, of course, I will discuss all about digital products. Ano ba yung mga digital products na tinatawag nila? And I will also discuss some samples of these products. And I just want to clarify, wala po ditong step-by-step guide sa paggawa ng isang klase ng digital product ha. But we will talk about ano bang i-consider mo if you wanna sell one. I will also teach you how to post services and products on this platform, pero hindi lang po ito how to post, but all my tips on how to put the correct title, how to put the description, what to include on your listing photos, and how to price your product. I will give all the tips on how you can really optimize each of your listing. Hindi kasi pwedeng post ka lang ng post sa RAKET.PH. And if bago ka pa lang sa digital product selling, don't worry kasi I will discuss here paano mo ba ibibigay sa customer mo yung products mo, paano ba binibenta yung mga editable templates sa Canva, yung mga tinatawag nilang thank you page na yan, paano ba yan? By the way, I will also give my 35 listing mock-up photos as a freebie sa course na to so you can use that for your mock-up photos. Once you have the product posted sa RAKET.PH, of course, you need to market it. You need to promote it. So I will give tips on how to market your products sa mga social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And a general tip on how you can really get sales on RAKET.PH. So isa sa mga tip ko talaga dito is about niche. I will discuss it in this course. Ano ba yung niche na sinasabi nila? I also have some bonus lessons that I decided to include sa course na to. Number 1, I will explain what is the difference between MRR and PLR. If you go to RAKET.PH, you will see so many products with these rights, MRR and PLR. So i-explain ko ano ba yan, how you can make one, ano ba dapat yung mga rights na ilalagay mo if you wanna make one, and yung mga difference between PLR and MRR. Number 2, bonus lesson is Canva license and Creative Fabrica license. So explain ko po, can you use free and pro elements sa mga products mo, how to use Creative Fabrica graphics or fonts license, so we will also discuss that. And number 3, ito yung last one, is DTI and BIR registration. Siyempre, I'll discuss if kailangan mo ba agad-agad mag-register sa DTI and BIR before ka mag-open ng shop. So, itatackle din natin yan sa course na to. Right now, I did not include lessons about SEO yet or keyword research kasi to be honest with you, yung sales sa RAKET.PH relies heavily sa pag-market ng product mo. Kahit na maganda yung gamit mong keywords, if you don't market it, wala rin. So, sobrang ibang-iba siya sa Etsy. Mas i-compare ko actually yung RAKET.PH sa Gumroad where you really need to market your products. But in the future, I will definitely include yung mga keyword research sa course na to without any additional charge, of course. So this course includes video tutorials na ako po mismo ang magtuturo. Yes, ako po mismo from finish to end. Mukha ko lang ang makita nyo, so sana wag po kayo magsawa. Also, I just want to clarify that this is not an MRR course. Hindi po ito yung Master Resale Rights course na pag binili nyo, pwede nyong ibenta. This is a course where you will learn things. I just want to clear that kasi alam ko po marami yung nagbibenta ng mga MRR course, so hindi po ito yun, ha? Also, this course does not include any done-for-you products that you can resell po. What you're paying here is my knowledge, my tips, my experiences, and yung mga natutunan ko about this industry and not the products that I created. But of course, I will be giving some freebie products naman inside this course katulad ng listing mock-up templates na nabanggit ko nga kanina. And if you want done-for-you products you can resell, I have separate products for that sa aking Raket ship. So just to end this video, gusto ko lang po ipakita muna yung sarili ko na na-feature sa RAKET.PH social media accounts para naman mas maniwala kayo sa mga pinagsasabi ko, diba? So number 1, yung first post na na-feature po tayo sa RAKET.PH. Remember, I told you guys na I only started sa RAKET.PH noong October. So on my first month, top to seller agad tayo. Next one is nung December 31, 2023, which is Happy New Year naman talaga, diba? RAKET.PH featured me as the best selling racketeer. And the most recent one is the Feb 2024. In God's grace, top 1 seller po tayo sa RAKET.PH. So ayun lang naman. If you wanna avail this course, I will just put the link sa description or sa link sa bio ko. And thank you so much for watching this, and let's all start earning from selling digital products. Bye-bye!